we are using a word infinity. Has any one of you seen infinity? Is it visible? But it is conceivable, it is conceptual, and we can understand what this symbol infinite, it represents. Similarly, we are using another figure called zero. Is there anybody in this assembly who has seen a zero? We can understand what is a 1, what is 1.5, what is 2, what is 9. Any number we can understand. But the zero is something invisible at all, completely. But nevertheless, we can conceive of it. Just like the place of zero is there in arithmetics and mathematics, equally so infinity is there, so is our God in our life. The presence within our body is actually infinite. Did you hear me? Every one of you is carrying a presence within your body. If there is a presence within your body, which is made up of Panchabhutas. What is meant by Panchabhutas? The solid earth, the fluid water, the gaseous air, and the energy represented by fire, together with space. All these are everywhere in the world. The world is made up of these Panchabhutas. They are nothing but matter and energy. Our body is also consisting of matter and energy. If there is a presence in the matter-energy aggregate called the body, that presence can only be infinite.